Hey everybody, this is Jay Stargaard, international artist. Okay, today in my studio, so glad you guys are here to check it out. We are going to be taking this bronze rod, these are all my cut lengths, making my branch handles for my new cabinets in my home. I'm gonna take all of this and create this. This is what I have left to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I have 7 more to create. Okay, I am just making away. It's so stinking much fun. So that was not hot. So we went from that. This was a longer one. These were shorter, and we're creating these. And then I'm about to put the spacers for the handles, the hex nuts on in just a minute. But it's so fun. They're all talking, they're all different. It's so neat to watch them form themselves. And it's just using the recycled materials and just dropping that into it. It is very fun. Keep working. Keep working. Sometimes there's itty bitty teeny tiny little pieces. I'm just going to do this that can't hold. Sometimes you can hold them with the pliers or whatever, but really the easiest way to do that is we just weld on our rod like that. See that? See that? See that? And then you take this and then hold it where you need to go and run the torch. Ah, okay, that's really fun. Some of you may know that already. If you don't, you love me so much right now. So much. Your life just got so easy. So fun. So we've got the handles fabricated. They look fabulous. There's one spot right here that I do not love. So didn't see it while it was hot, see it while it's cold, so it's easier for me just to hit the grinder just a teeny bit in there and then lick it back over with the welds. And then next after that, I am going to bend them because I need a little bit more curve. So we're gonna hammer them out and get them just the way that I want them. Polish, weld on the hex nuts, and polish again. And they're good to go. Ah! Yes, okay. What I wanted to do in there. It'll be perfect once I weld it. This is the one that I just did a little bit of grinding on right there. And because these are so much thicker and shorter, I'm gonna go ahead and use a metal larger hammer. So that way I will get the curve that I'm after a little easier. And I'm using a glove because when it vibrates, it doesn't hurt my hands. So if you guys are trying to hold on to this stuff without a glove on, tough, but ow, so not fun. Yeah, that looks super good. Okay, let me see how it feels. It feels good. I think I can rock it out until I get there. I gotta get in the vise. feels good. That feels really, really good. Whoop, whoop. The subtleties of the bends that I'm talking about are really minor. I mean, it's so subtle. Most people don't do it. They just don't do it because they don't see it. They don't understand it because you don't drop into the feel of it. You have to drop into how something feels, not only visually when you look at it, but how it feels when you hold it. And as you do that, your work will improve 100%, more than 100%. It will accelerate your process tremendously. It's a good thing. Good hit. I just felt it. I hit it and I saw it and I felt it. Yeah. Then the other part of this is not only are you doing it just one way, but you have to think dimensionally around the piece. And so we went one way, but now we're going to begin to curve it the other way so that it's just exactly right. Click, lock in, feel good, done deal. Ah! The very essence of the word of handcrafting is so cool to me because when I'm moving my hands over it and I'm going over every single inch of these and looking at them and moving from one station to the next station to the next part on how to sequence these, I get to touch them, I get to feel them, I get to look at them. And as I do that, I find some imperfections occasionally. And so I'll show you one of my imperfections right here. See if you can't get a good look. You can see just a little indentation there that doesn't feel good. So I'm gonna fix that one. And then on this side, there is just a grounding bubble that where it was grounding on the table fizzed. So I was probably rotating it or something and it fizzed and melted the metal out into that blood. So I'm gonna fix those too. Yeah, but that's just, this is the essence of handcrafting. You put your hands on it and you look at it and you make it the best that you possibly can. And it's so fun and so exciting to do that. Remember, the back side has to be as beautiful as the front side, period. 4 down, 3 to go. I am working on getting the right feel to the branches where they're different but uniform, but that the growth is happening because there's growth lines that happen across them as they move across the cabinet. So it's kind of fun to think about that and to see that and wonder how it's all going to work in the end, because I don't know yet, but we'll figure it out as we get there. Oh, hey, I was just thinking about it. I was thinking about it a while ago, but then I just kept welding. But hey, if you get an opportunity, could you share this YouTube channel with your friends? Because it'd be so fun to help other people learn how to weld better and just be happier, just simply be happier. So if you get a chance, go ahead and share the video because that would be awesome. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up because there's a thumb. Trying to make my gloves. They're new, they don't bend that good, but trying to get my thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe because that's the bell sign, and then you'll get notification whenever I put up a video. Yeah, all right. possibly that one, definitely get that one because that one's super good. And this one's pretty fun too. So you know what? You can't go wrong. Just pick any. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for the notification button. We'll see you on the next round.